Hello everyone, my name is Anna from Perfect Brows by Anna. I have been involved many years in the beauty and microblading industry, and this has become true passion for me. I have dedicated myself to perfecting the art, and nothing brings me more pleasure than achieving perfection for my clients. My Instagram page, Perfect Brows by Anna, showcases some of my work and my clients' first reaction that is captured on video for others to see. I am happy to be making this video so you can get to know me a little bit, and I can tell you about my recent collaboration with Beauty Build. Beauty Build and I have decided to join forces and create a fantastic training program in the field of microblading for those who are determined to learn and become a true professional. From my training, you will learn my techniques in ways that will give you instant insight on the industry, an industry that continues to grow exponentially. I like to focus on the hair stroke itself and the design and shape of the eyebrows, different spine growth and hair changing the direction and so on. I will teach you microblading in an easy and practical way. I will tell you how I do client consultation, how I attract my clients, how to set up your price, and how to handle special clients, and share with you how I became so successful in such a short time. I will tell you everything you need to know so you will become independent on your own craft and really master this technique that people are in love with. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon in my class.